Today we're visiting Broadway Quilts in Sonoma, California, which is north of the San Francisco Bay Area. This shop is just minutes away from world-class wineries, boutiques around Sonoma Square, and the 19th century mission, San Francisco Solano. The minute you walk into Broadway Quilts, you'll be awed by all the displays. The quilts hanging are more than just beautiful. They add to the feelings of warmth and friendliness that you'll get when greeted by the staff, who will happily help you with your purchases. You can see why their favorite game is Find the Fabric. With a great selection of over 2,000 bolts, they're able to help you find a special fabric or fabrics for your quilt. But Broadway Quilts offers more than just fabric. This is a full-service quilt shop with notions, long-arm quilting services, and classes. Scattered throughout the shop are samples of small projects made from patterns that you'll find in their large pattern and book area. My favorite spot in the shop is the room to the right of the front door. There you'll find lots of novelty fabric on display. A small play station for the kids is conveniently located in the center of the room. Some of the quilts hanging here are made from panels that the store sells. Other quilts are sold as kits, or you can find the pattern available for purchase in the shop. As I mentioned earlier, Broadway Quilts offers classes. You and a group of your friends can also reserve the classroom free of charge for a fun day of sewing, although currently this is on pause due to COVID. Their long arm machine is located in the back of the classroom. You can find more information about this service on their website, along with a calendar of their class offerings. The website also features an online store where you can purchase most of the inventory found in their shop. You'll appreciate the way the fabric's organized. You can see some of the headings here. Scroll down and you'll find even more. I just love all the contemporary fabric that they have for children. These fabrics would look great in an I Spy quilt. Here's a link to a free, fun tutorial on Learn How to Quilt's website. Hope you get a chance to stop by Broadway Quilts. It's a lovely shop to visit in person or online. Don't forget to stay tuned for our next quilting adventure, and make sure you support those independent quilt shops. So happy you visited learnhowtoquilt.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to get alerted when a new video comes out. You can also sign up for updates and free patterns at learnhowtoquilt.com.